Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to install Kali Linux in VMware Workstation Player on your Windows platform. This is Kali Linux first release of 2023. There are some recommended system requirements to install Kali Linux. You should have 2 gig free RAM, 20 gig free space on your hard disk, and your processor should be Core i3 or higher. If it is from different vendors, it should be equivalent to Core i3. To begin installation, we search Kali Linux in Google and look for the kali.org. This is the official website of Kali Linux. Click on this link, and now on this page we can click on download. On this page we have two options. These are the installer images, also called ISO images, and these are the virtual machines. These are pre-built images for VMware and VirtualBox. In this video, I will use pre-built image. For ISO image, I will make separate video. We'll click on virtual machine, and this is the download page for pre-built images. Before downloading, you should know whether your operating system is 64-bit or 32-bit. If you want to confirm, then go to your desktop, this PC, right click, properties, and look for system type. It will show you whether it is 64 or 32, or you can go to command prompt and type this command system info and then look for system type. All right, our is 64-bit, which is already selected here. To download Kali image for VMware Workstation, we click on this small arrow. This is a 2.7 gig file. It will take some time. As you click on here, the download will start. Our image file is downloaded. As you can see, this is a 7-zip file. We have to unzip with the 7-zip. Extract here. So this is the extracted folder. It is our virtual machine and the size is 12.3 gig. It is your choice. You wanna keep it here or you want to move it some different place. Now go to VMware Workstation, double click, open. Now you can see there are two options. Create new virtual machine. This is for ISO image, and open virtual machine. This is for pre-built image. So we have pre-built image. We will click on open virtual machine and locate to the extracted folder. And this is the extracted folder here. And select the .vmx file. Open. This is our virtual machine, and now you can click on power on. Now it's asking for username and password. As we remember on the website, the Kali is username and Kali is password. Kali and Kali login. The Kali Linux is ready to use. As you can see, it has smaller screen. You can make it minimize and then maximize. It will maximize your default screen. So first thing you should do to change your password, because we are using default credentials, Kali username and Kali password. Go to terminal. To change password, command is PASSWD. Enter. and the current password is Kelly. Now you can enter your new password. It should be strong and easy to remember. Enter, retype new password. Password updated successfully. When you log in next time, use your new password. Also, you can go through, this is the menu. There are different menu items and various tools. For Linux tutorials, I will make separate videos. Make sure subscribe the channel. And that's it for this video. Hopefully it was useful to you.